Yeah.
How na then a good morning, I better make una help me share. Yes. My beautiful Mary Edos, you spoke well. I watched your video. My beautiful Susie, I will say you spoke well, and for what you talk, not be say you support my godfather. This matter, everybody have your opinion to talk. I remember when you dey talk to my godfather, all the video I watch there, I supposed to come out. I don't know why. But for what you talk, my guys, for what you talk, you don't be say you support my godfather, don't be say you speak on behalf of my godfather. My godfather get mad to talk. You understand? But what you talk, I tell you, I say I know the listen to saga. Now, who guesses if you now lose this matter, you spoke well. I just use that forget what see. You don't insult my father, you don't insult my mother, but for what do you talk? The little way I listen, I'm not wash and finish. Now let me those. Now your wash. But the little way I wash for your own. You spoke well. You not talk about my, you not even mention my godfather name for there, but you hit the point. You said the facts. You understand? You understand? So we are talking about my godfather's as here, number one. So everybody they carry but the way you take talk, right on. You understand? And you still talk one word, wait funny me there. You say for 9S Sports, anybody will go they cut video, call they give you say that they insult them there. You say you don't go watch it. So I want me to listen to me, I'm not going to insult you. You understand? They don't lose me, they lose the shit where they my Lego, they lose and come out. See, anybody will not talk well for this matter, well, now go see the matter because I know say this social media, when they see red, they'll go turn out to blue, they'll turn out to black. But this time around, this matter, nobody born of a woman go turn out to black. Una go talk on the way it be or else. If you see the way they do press up for a no-gay, if you see the way they do press up for a no-gay, I swear. For as you take care, what did they call this girl, Sharon Pame, and they expect you. And if you see the way they do press up, they wait you. I bath, I'm not up for face, my body the white. Okay, before I go start, before I go get up, come off for here, go up, cream for my face. Because I just bath, wear clothes, body the hot. More listen to Mary Edos before Susie.
Pour water for body for bedroom. Almost 6 times, I be 7 times when I did with my go brother. It's about 10 and now. You got told that down here, ma. You mabata. Here go, Keke, a family of it. Iyamo bogu, no baby you are. Yeah. Now, just the truth be that. But I don't say no. You don't don't pass, you don't pass. Now God now save me. Now not see the way when I come out, I can't be like reggae. I can't lean. I say now God now save my head. Come on, let me the thought say the time I did one over that. I will say thank God for a baby. Say she can't take my place. I can't escape. Now make me the thought say thank God, thank you, Abewa. Thank you for what you do. People will say, what did she do for you? It may say where we may say talking you go, it say I don't know I say come out. I see the one that say now me they alive today. I the one that said me now me they alive. Me. How I say they alive? How come? How God they do it for me? Ina do ye hoga, ye go na ga me. Ije go, that woman a pure better witch. Yeah. I say I can't see many things. I mean, I get pure heart. If things they happen to me, I dey say I for dream. If I dream, I don't remember. You know, say that dream is nothing. If I dream, I remember. I know, say, wow, something is happening. I see mama, ego mama. Ona the popo mobo. Ona le ya na bed. Ona na bed. For they share bed with. They say make I not enter this bed. They push me. They can't carry the long stick. They don't they measure bed with me. You know where I'm here a big star. You know when I hear. On I say when I did for my ego brother, I did die, I'll come back. I will die, I'll come back. I'll tell the brother, I say, it was you go say me I'm not worried, nothing go happen to me. But be like you are there and now you back back. Here, I don't feel they breathe again. I don't feel they turn. For sleep, answer before you know, I will get up if it's got my way. Yeah, bala me yagbe. If na hina. Na ya put to abewa. See, this abewa. Oh, okay. Oh, una see. Now make you no good better to come and say I go kill you. You go know me. You go know. You know I be. If I be, abewa ni ya abewa. Iye go na igbe. Ya metion. Now everybody will say that it's a transmitter that kill a paywa. Yeah? Everybody is looking at. If I be telling them my agbawa or not do social media. Now you call they cry. Now they cry every day say Abewa give my heart. Abewa, God will punish you. Over no me no yagbama. Esagawa. Of a cool one. Person where you really want to fight somebody, you know go talk. Yes. From it to not get harm for Abewa body. Now mama ego and people now una go ask. Abewa.
The couple my godfather for front. Yana le teterame. Who are talking? Who what toge me? I no go green. Becky now don't debunk himself. Go see what he write. My husband not even read down. You know that the debunk. Who are debunk he did? He say I never make a beer one my godmother. He was a this thing. We una go explain. Una no go see evidence. And no get say he go come out. Later I say somebody call and say make he not come out. He go tell that una go explain or go tire. Even now agba wagbe. Abi awak magbe ogwe na me nu here. Wa mo ladia ani me efie yi umamo wela don na yagu iga you be anyewe o ya mo listing
ya hiari wana wa ya hiari ije abe wa ya hiari man, no say me na don't believe me, but you say Abewa, she was dead. I tell una say, me go no get deal with a big star, not be today. Any woman with a big star, mama go deal with that woman. Now make mama go come dey fear me, come say I marry a dose now. You go, mama go dey fear me. Not be safe for math. You're going Hey, oh God. Jesus Christ.
If I don't have video finish, I don't come. My your makeup.
Oh God. Make una not just go far. Now mama go and people, mama. Why marry this? Why you want go marry a Gerard? What of your mama wait the sleep the Gerard for home? How you can't do it, mama? Mama a Gerard they sleep from with a Gerard for home. We were here near. What big boy? I said the shock for me say me I dey alive. I can't dey progress. Say how come a marriage marry I want marriage one was in this so go on and move. Why ya fe eh? Oh God. I used to laugh. Oh, I just want so more man. I'm going to see you marry. My marriage is still in very tight. Oh, guy marriage, you know, oh, guy, a court marriage is sealed. Or whatever die. Man, I be where you are. No, you say, see, you go say me, any master, like me here. I be one of your way. My Allah will do you why I'm not even the whole if we are say, as you're making that, I had this one. Person not go feed you spiritual take you me. Yes, because I clean my heart clean. My heart clean finish. Who be men here who or salopo here time or human being and you want to keep us way heart clean. I know you know I don't see since when the saga me. I'll go look for presenter, I'll give her money. I thought I will. If the saga because you have my brother will be me. If I go you have here go. Yes, I thought to go they cry. Sometimes I not watch them again. Yes, I know they watch them. And now I'm not ever the carry person matter give the other person. Say do it for me after I see go be the other one. Never. It come my own one clean. That is why I am still alive on social media today. Not be say I get what I take which body or I did fly or nothing. All those things are just map now all of them day. And not be anything. The only thing when I been and say I get clean heart. Or see any iye gonna mohame keke mage. Then they fear me. You cannot use diabolic to buy somebody that have a clean heart, really clean heart to. Everything say.
Yes.
When you do me something corner, I just time for drink. All these things are very what matter or people are very what they are alive. When they do kuku, I just see everything for drink. As they do, I tell the brother. As they do, I tell Jerome. He go say, which kind of person you be? I said, now I see for dream. Every year, wow. Not be like they tell one of my people. God protects me because of the marriage. The marriage, you don't have to go there. You don't have to go there. As I hear say I do what they inside the picture. Imagine how I say about the appear wow now. They not me can be like bone for their neck. Bone let me be. Till today till tomorrow. Bone, they not then they say, hi. What you say them don't see like say I dey fly, it shall not be anything. Now this my pure mind. Now be the thing when they nothing day, my people. Nothing day. Nothing day. Okay. I you look back, I go sleep I go years ago, I don't die. Before you know, I could just get up once. Yeah, here the bedroom. Yeah, here. Even na hina, even a motion, tiego, even they were who. They were I be just die. You go say nothing go happen to me. Every time I be just die. I be just die for sleep. I be just die for sleep. Every time, that's the tell her. Every time. Never. When I go or my go to veji. See, it never happened to me before. What did be all this every time? My enemy. Now the same thing. I be what? You phone there for a front or love your boy or my yori. Erianona. Même na be waya wa mago me MC Papilo no do atabe ni asia ni aisaga edide ni ala wo abi wa mesi no abi wa ti oda one no Again, I be one of your saga. When I be one the saga small children, they swear for small children. MC Papilo, where you dey? But also, una joy. Oh my God, these people they are very stupid. I be you. It's not because somebody is sharing money for you. That is why the person is a good person. I be you what also is evil. That is why she quickly died like this. Evil jam evil. No. Evil jam evil. On our Kenya, yeah. Evil jam evil. Why I talk this kind of thing, we say, MC Papilo come and say, make the liver now better person, now good person. Shut up your mouth.
Oh Jesus!
No be for person to share money for person, not be a good person. Tell you know.
Exactly.
Hoy na wo. Wo. A good person cannot open mouth and swear for innocent children. A good person cannot go from one platform to another to be talking nonsense, to be staggering people, to be laying calls.
This woman they boss my
to be say more way from it on Mama, I go brother now 12 million naira. My money there for your hand. I don't see anybody where I hold. I not see my husband. Now I make even though it's not my husband. No, I know if you draw, it don't come off my hand, it don't come off my hand. On your way, me do siaje. Me boko, me talo. Emi no pa your body ne. I can't go they call people say I give my husband 12 million naira. I be money I miss again. I go call the other one. Yeah, these people they talk many things idle. All this are being iye gwata lota. We no rene. Why we so gwa udotiona okay. God forbid bad thing. Which one be say she's a good person, nobody should saga her again, but I use God take beg now. I use God. Oh come on, everybody is going to buy. Yeah, she don't go rest, but we have to say the truth that she's dead. Nobody should come out and do innocenti. Shut up your mouth.
MC Papilo.
Just shut up your mouth. Waya fe. Osa me no gba do waya fe fo gba ni yen dami yen no nani ave tata to no taloni waya no.
I don't forward out.
Power. Now this one they call powers pass power. Now evil power. You see, I believe will show you own. Mama I go there, they show their own. Their own come pass a day while any other fear. When me na made them in measure. I don't get power. Don't say I want to power pass power. Message them me woman. I'm not doing me. I'm not what they expect you. Egba. I pay you what? MC Papilo. He never take for years. 3 days ago, I pay you go Mama Joy platform. She go dey swear for innocent soul.
Once
And
the
people feel well, Momo. I told Momo, you get children, eh? If you wear, when I love you, love you, work a couple. Oh, or my waladia, or saga, or tear bonnie, if you wear. I'm see Papilo. We are where.
Esi Papilo, Ovia ya fefe waya. Again, I'll go a platform. All the children were dead there. Yes, but I want me see test for the make test for inside. I say Papilo, Ovia test where when we are 3 days I am boy.
I've been at the mad because say from it on a live death center. Anybody can come out and insult the children. Mama Kevin, no problem. Wazaga.
Is a we
adult abewa go there for Mama Joy live video. Go they cause Mama Kevin children. The Kevin. Una they say abewa na very good person now.
Okay.
Una say na very good person.
Oh Jesus.
Baba.
We are one those.
Very stupid.
Very stupid.
You people are mad.
You are too beautiful, Meriedos. You're too beautiful.
I have many things in no. Oga ufone or you go nya you when you have what a nice woman. Are you go mad? I don't understand. As I go do bad thing finish, I'll carry money give person. Don't say I be nice person.
Okay.
That is not nice. That is evil.
I know for what everything makes sense. I
know
what
why see who sees there a woman who will have them, who will have them, who will not. Hey, even though say Mama go not by you. Social media is very, very strong.
Okay.
And from Victor also Ladia, where was the jail? From Victor cry, come mad. People, evil people. I say evil people, evil spirits, people that have 2 eyes, they see the tears of Frambito. Even if not be Mama Ego by for instance, social media people go when they see the tears of Frambito.
This woman, they bust my brain.
What about them? You know what here to die?
They bust my brain.
See this social media, this one not be just about space. The other one,
this one they bust
no,
my brain.
this is called social media. Yeah. Now one thing where you go, everybody go gather. The way I dey talk, now everybody go here, they listen. I know they see themselves. People when they get 2 eyes, they listen to me for years. So yes now. Come in. Let me cry out for the world, people. Hey, Abigail, me kakapani ya dame yo. Una kon de talk say na Frambito, na expire.
The Meriedos. Oh.
Frambito not contribute anything for her death. Frambito not una de talk say Abiwa night by herself Abiwa. Oh yeah, assume you wearing. Abiwa night by herself. You want to pepper there? Me I tell you something. Saga not the key person. Saga not the give depression
at all.
Now your mind I will kill you.
It dey cure depression.
Yes. Why Saga?
Meriedos, no, without no beetle, you don't dey inside depression. The way you take the talk, you don't experience depression. Exactly, you know how it be. Waiting the cure depression na social media. You can't see anybody where you want to choose, you don't experience depression. Depression you can use to kill yourself. If you want to kill yourself, you go enter social media, jagarette. That is it. You don't experience her. Now, with the experience, as they talk, and now waiting, I don't first see experience. That is the reason. Oh, continue.
Not kill
Right
me.
on.
You know how many people they talk about Mary those? Do you know how many people would they analyze my video? Do you know what they say in my video? Eh? When I go listen to some finish, I start to come out there. If you also talk, I'll say now just social media. I know go they call
or
they call people. No. See, it don't enter social media, don't enter. If I go, I'll start to come out for there.
Oh, c'est de platform.
Eh, how bien you are, how bien you are. They understand me. A saga bomb. If I see my naked picture for Facebook today or I see anything, ya bele pe kokpa. I not go watch her again. I not go enter that page again. If I see anybody again with people's house, I not go see follow that person. I stop to come out. If go see come out for media, I give her 1 month. You go where come out. You go where come out. All where for. A saga bomber. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's Abiyayiwa that kill herself. Abiyayiwa is a very strong person that power pass power. A power pass power. Abiyayiwa. My normal song bugunya ya fe berie dos. Now me not strong inside. Me no me that I know you know anything. Now me, Abiyayiwa is a very strong person.
Good morning, mommy.
Yes. Obinya kuku na Abiyayiwa. A power pass power.
You said it all.
Yes.
May God continue to bless
like
you.
Me now, when you are doing something to me, I don't fire back. Now you go solve the rest of the matter. One here better go on the way me, there any measure. You they go this side, me I they go another place. I don't get any eye. Nothing. Even many spiritualists, they know me for this social media way with it. I don't get any, not only one eye where I get so. So anybody no here challenging me. I want to guys say walk back. Over I want na. Over yi challenge I want to make. What it concern me? Yeah, was social media. Waiting I see you. Abiyayiwa spend money for this. So you know how much? I gathered 12 million naira for my husband's hand. When Katala boss, I said, "Where money?" He said, "I gift." I started to for her.
Yeah,
but didn't need a gift. Oh yeah, me. You know, we just my family. You were 12 million. I will gift you one.
Flop people.
And I start to cry. Go meet.
I work for one night. I beg for one night. Iye go, ubega gbo. Ade come o, me ready stock. You go so finish.
Mo no man Abiyayiwa. Ogbegbe ene. These people, they can do and undo. They can do and undo again. I want to go was so nana. Me where they even the fear juju. When something today, you are your big me. Amen. Ha. Now make me there alive. Now make me there alive because of my hands are clean. My hands are clean. Yeah.
Abiyayiwa to like it.
I know they carry.
Make it all
picture, they say, do this, do the other one. Never, I don't do those things.
May talk finish.
Lie.
May talk finish my talk. Before I couple Susie.
I don't dey talk. Abe you are go do. Oh, where you got me? You got me. You got one now. Me never see believe say Abe you are dying up. So whenever you we got me, we got me. When I was no wa your mayore.
This very does you know make heaven, I swear.
I you wanna wa be. O ma de yore.
No gbo ka gbodo.
We make no ya deji. Oh, lare no wana wa be ebo hiana ebo ne kwa ro ne ya ta mu kwa. Ije omanu we ya mare, omanu we ya mare ebisa. Ije lo yeke. Edede ma o le bisa mare. Iye go ekere no. The real person okutuku noro. The person where Abe will go marry. We want to do that with him mama Bista na be witch. If they sleep with Bista for coven. So where are you going to? Now me that they fear for that family. Only me they do. Yay, to no me be a kame hinia. Iya moa. Iye go na we ni ahia. Bi ahia re me no marry ne. Me ati me marry Bista. I don't go. Oh, carry a donors go America now. Bonnie. I hear him with donors are America, Daffy Manning. I hear him with America now. I hear him with America.
Now we are want to put this one. That make me say I not go forward anything. Don't finish. It was soon finish. 5 minutes now finish.
Bista get mama. Bista get mama. Mama don't old. You know they go 100 years. Iwe ni akegbe ni ma igbalazi. Me na wa miye Bista. Edede. Ona wa mu popo won bo. She come dey share bed with me. Ibe tamema. Na meji. Even na never me na. Iye Bista wa mu popo won bo. Oya share bed with me re. Ni la mo.
Era very ewetan.
Je de pa mare. No, people were like, that dream is very strong. That dream is very strong. No, I don't know. I even said my husband, I see your mama they use long stick to the share bed with me. What do you mean? The man and my husband, though, I go Nigeria, we marry, silk cut marriage, original one. Not be like, when they come and say they're not going to pick me for sleep, the way they take kill Abiyewa. The person make I go. They do and make I die for sleep. If you see temptation when I see my people, I know. Maybe no yata. I do ata me do to do agbe so what's no that way yet it. Yeah, mama no me set me no yata me.
Majesty.
It's not the.
Now the video don't finish for there. Now I have something to say. Mary Edos, good morning. How you doing? You look so beautiful. All the talk when you talk, you have said it all. Thank you. You understand? Obiani is not your husband. Oh, yeah, what he had been sent through. As a fault, he could make me happy. Mama ego don't sit down for Isa wet. Mama ego, for the shame and disgrace when they give her for social media. When my godfather give her. He see can't get hope. The hope where he get say he don't feel succeed carry his own brother give Abiyewa so that definitely he go chop. I wish he succeed. Abiyewa they go rake Abiyewa so that Abiyewa will come be like person will come the beg. Oh no no teme ne teme. That was their plan between Mama Ego and the brother. Now, Mama Ego no go last. If you not see Mama Ego now, it be that person with the sacra. When I go to watch the video, oh yeah, no, Magi ba if you look your face, that appearance of madness, he don't the nearer, he don't the nearer. Me, I say I know they do saga, but if I dey wash you, I dey see you. I don't sit tell una now. Mona go notice her. Mona go sit talk where you do. Mona look if you come on leave that one. Mona say okay, now that one is shed tears there. Mona go look the one. Wait the way I be on one day. No, say that woman is mentally. Is not that is now it's not stable again. Let me put it that way. You understand me? So now, Mama I will go for Susie. What is Susie talk for there? It makes sense. You understand? I'm going there now. So Mama now you the choose. No, I'm not going to talk here. May I go there? But Mary Edos, as you run, so is better. Everything where you talk about for here, it is true. How you want to take past you go. It happened to me, but fortunately, I know who they do. Only if it happen like this, I will carry for call the person. You understand? I will carry for they call the person direct. You go they cry, as if I see you again. You understand? Yes, you experience all these things. Now let the stupid one, the fools, not go understand. Me, I understand you pure. Everything when you talk here, you know they talk saga, but you they talk what it happen and it is real. But if you got the talk and people will look you stupid, that is it. Congratulations. But Abiowa, na desperado. Abiowa, forget the reason why I will talk for Abiowa for your own case. Abiowa na devil. Yes, when I say na devil, this Mary Edos with the husband, they did together. Somebody as you big rich so now person they carry man they give you. What a shame. Mama go with those saga you. Don't carry your no go different native daughter. Cause he sleep with your own ass. If they chop and they deceive you. At the end of the day, Mama will go carry a brother and give you. Because Mama is going to look you like fool. Because you know person where you will fit tell that kind to say, I want to give you my brother. Where you don't shop my ex-boyfriend. Where you don't insult me. At the end of the day, you say, me, I can't date your brother. If not me, I go think twice. What are you hot to? Where this man, the woman, they drive to? Because he know what? He lose Mama Abiowa. He no one make it lose him because of the money. If he lose him, we ain't want for the eat. Desperado. Carry your brother, go give her. When you know, say, Mary Edos with your husband still there. When matter anything, say the game is to understanding. Who when no Mama go, no settle in ya. But out of your selfish interest, out of your greediness, what do? Una moye kniye gore with the way me una moye Mary Edos ire with the way me will be Mary Edos. You know they see money for Mary Edos hand. You know they see money for Mary Edos hand. You Colombian because your brother is very stupid. You know wogi tell no say we marriage you my work. Man no got to be work. Una mo una mgia biowa. Abiowa, you never sit down one day nowhere where you are going to ask somebody's own. Adebame winya ava inyangui. Don't know mo edeni. Now worry, I go to support you now. Go and settle with your wife. No, desperado. You want to pepper my grandfather. You embrace the woman. Now look at your life. On your head down. It is no sewe error. Ikana ya gbijawo ayagbuwena. Ogugwa we my life. Ikana te ya gbe Mary Edos. Ahado ya fiwewe na. What of you today? You are now in 6 feet. May they not put her for 6 feet. May they put her for 3 feet. So that if you rain for, Erosha go pack and go. You doesn't deserve 6 feet. You are a devil. Esi papilo, No na go away. Wala. You ye meriedos. Ona agbena kokede. Uhion werene. Uhion viyane. You don't do everything. At the end of the day, una ladian. Una do amogu be owe. Uguvie umagi yore. May your soul rest in a fire. You are a wicked person to break somebody's home. All because you want to pepper my godfather. Eran and you are pepper now. You have already moved on. Eran and who want to have to beno vivie go no mona no go. Gaina. Emere dos na rie ego. O malada to so. Begagbowe. What a life. Now my people, Moku listen to Susie. There I have what to say.
It's not the shop now. We were not in Okoma Sadaha. Or see so the man who went in live video nama. When we later went to our boyfriend, but what if you do the same person whoever you do but a partner in crime. We're coming when. And Igego, let me tell you one thing. There is a message I want to send to the opportunity. Igego, Otuno Bani Mununani, say Brodania, you can live in life. I thought you go educate. So you're setting a choice in Oyazore, or Hone and Ibay. Can't him choose a wife for himself, educated man for that matter. You may know who no Yerewana, no your basic education or my university. I've really him. So go back a car and then you were feeling the young feeling many. Memaku, Beneti day. It's a for that matter, the Delata to Henny. Then we are make our own native for see. No one loves me for who I am. Are you getting me? Even by your here, key. You got to wedding. Did he sell it the market? None of was so who come up and have your watching. I don't know where see I get a very boy. And any my way, senior sister day in life. If you not pursue that your senior sister for your life, now so you will remain single, bachelor at the age of 50. I am telling you. Here go opportunity by the Yago because in a video in now, and is open or 20. I have not talked about Notima. Stop choosing.
I for say wow.
I cannot say I want to jam a second dollar. Gero ko be Nigerian Jerry or to go when I whip. Nana me whip. Who hate distance. Who distance with international with international we make here we ya nege go no be wure e yana wa ke blow that penny go. Are you getting me? A person another pain second one again babe okunore we again here go please do we a dose favor leave that man alone, let him choose a wife by himself.
Mommy Susie, I will tell you one word today. I get concern. Yes. Now the man or Israel say he's not ready to marry. Yeah. I dey use my husband as an example. To if I dey say all this thing for social media. My husband, mama go call. Like he go like to the tell my husband, he go say, mommy, nobody to date, nobody they take decision for a marriage. Me and my wife, now we take decision. Mommy, where you and daddy day? No bona take decision. I not remember where uncle this one, many things. Mommy, leave my marriage alone. If you and my wife get quarrel, we could not set one. I not go support my wife. I not go support you. Last, mommy. Now this the same my wife. Now I will call they help you. Mommy, all these your children so that you so don't marry for inside. Now 4 children. For guests, all of them don't marry. Now me be first son. Mommy, God forbid bad thing. Now this my wife go to carry you waka waka with Irish. This is the time. You are my wife to be 5 and 6. Mommy, I know what they talk. And really, now truth, they go call you first son. When you call you first son, who the first son go call? Now your wife. I just look at the laugh. You understand? Mommy, Not the listen to side talk. When time reach, you go understand. You don't odo, but the time when you do the you stick the waka, now that time you will need my wife. Nobody go break my home. I choose my wife for myself. Family not they choose for me. Since that day when my husband made that statement, my dear, everybody know a boundary. You understand? We get basketballs, but when my husband wants to settle the matter, he said for the junior one to open my door to his wife. He blocked all of them. My husband, mama, they try to beg, they beg. After we don't settle, if they try to beg for them, it's too late. My husband, mama, don't settle you, but the children call, his brothers call, he don't leave them for one chance. Now that they found way to call my husband, and I mean what they're supposed to call. Me now, then I do not feel bold. You understand? Now, what are they trying to talk? Susie, the man never ready to marry. And I see they tell my husband, my dear, I not say make you not cheat, I not say make you not marry. But before you go marry or before you go cheat on me, divorce me properly. My husband will bust laugh. So now his choice. Okay. Now his choice. Now my landlord did they repair my.
What we can or what call it the
my this tea will
go where here. The kitchen at the general by the one a boo here. Tell come say to a one set ye. Every super. Je can't look. We are going to kia yak boy, who mammy to pass it. If you are on our with having enjoying the him with size well, who that is Jeremy, or Benny. Lagua. Here go. You're going to bury no where Lagua. Lagua, self love, Mrs. Ari Hospital. Ari Hospital, self love. What do you want to do? Ever be you want? Who are the near people by? Leave her alone, let her rest. A lot of people are still crying because of this. God is so. Or ye no, or marry no. Or what by say by here or gaga, you go self love. If you don't want self love, in our kid body. Me never ni bune. Iya we Joan. Iya buni we when we go pasha we na boy na masha we na yo wa. Ono se na ma hamoju ele baba o. Eri aka ma me Joan. Take your time. Take your time. You are not a blogger, you are a presenter. What are you matter who are you matter at the end of the day, we are judging on who knows no babu. How are judge? Oh, no, some party was about babu. What we are judging? Who could call the so get here? They did not see any. Who call me? And who period? If I'm not going to be men in your boy, in Jackie. Do not GPC say, oh, if I'm not getting the man, 2021, 2022, even to fear it again, you must suffer one day, one. I have never. Yet, on time, platform, you can't pay anybody, or not being forgiven. In your boy, not being forgiven. Self love, or my pay, no one no way. When I do, I judge every platform, we're all valued in my idea. Self love, women conscience, because you are looking for money. What judge, what big one. It was self love. When I say now, right in the young girl, may not have what you go on one yak be maybe not be. It might have for one day. It might be for one day. Because if I casaga one year can hope. If I may be no la bola no way I hear anything but you. In a manner of you not saying, they cannot live without they don't insult their sin. Okay, now Pierre by my yard goes here, this is terrible. Yeah, my bello, you put your bello, I bet you why I want the picture. Self love. It really disappointing.
Other woman, I make you go. Where's the bay? Susie Bay. I from about when there was a bay.
Leave disappointing, but no carry. Because someone in our way is super sakiri. I carry a boy, but no carry a cook. Say, I ain't gonna have ties on that statement.
Thank you for the like and the love. I like you. Where am I? Oh, no, where am I?
No, no phone. Everybody that already left.
Where am I? Balona.
I bet you where you present a and we are a blogger, a presenter, a channel.
A presenter, or so, but already that the platform. Yeah, see. or that the platform. See. Your word makes sense, so not be everything be saga. You understand? But what way they thought they make sense to me, I don't know for the person, the another person. But the way they talk as mama go, or give go no raw, on me one like.
Oh, very go no, any other go no, any other stand, my, or my horse with that demeter. When I get money, they are here, a room will be all with you technical, a way. Who will be when they feature not party you. Na party na mwera ye la fi jona gbe ko manya e una gbe to ri apo e self love is well why self love Johan well why take your time ipa papa ma we say one me ni mebo take your time we na party sorry we block are emu we ma bege bi na party no e self love wa dey appreciate that wa dey get party na party sample that's not the reason we don't do the death it's a pity but why jere wa fi alagbon ti o
I like body.
Why you like body? If you don't already UK, sister already UK, no matter okay. You no kokeke. Take your time. Take your time, eh? Take your own time. Oh, where to agbe? Why? Wagagbe, ugbe wo hiri. Ugagwan, ugwan be wo hiri. Wa contribute, almost to death of your day. Kime no na jebe holi. I don't know why. You must understand when you for that matter, your grandmother. Oh, the old grandmother association. Oh, man, no woman. Why begging? Why, why me who? When maybe I said you went over here in Nakba. Or Master Fania, you man, Maya would I'm telling you guys. Oh, man, no mark here, where so far. Eka go here, eka go book here, eka go here. Sleep and go. On a way rest. But why is so good? Who are here? You salopa, no salopa loud. In where? Or say, but no more, your master will go in Nabu. Who are here? You go worry. Because Aragbara said, don't bring me. I don't want to win. I want to kill it. No, me. Are you getting me? Or my video here?
Opposite. Susie. You know the reason why I thought say opposite say I don't want saga you they call him beautiful. You for your na bloggers or for your own direct video. You say me anybody not cut video can't give you. Anybody will cut video can't give you whether for the insult you not go watch. That's why you see say I want me watch. And I post it that day. So I don't want my insult. I want me to watch this video. Susie. You know why I screenshot this your shirt, this your picture. I see many pictures. So you know why I screenshot this video, this picture. I want me to go remember the video where they insult my godfather. Oh I'm not insult you. I want me to watch her. That's why they use maturity and they mock you. All this Amazon, what they pay you for inside say when I watch your video, you don't know say Abiowa they pay all these bloggers. The time when you don't know is already late. When you sit and know for Mama Ego, say my godfather they chop Mama Ego. Mama Ego call they deceive you, say no. And you defend my godfather. You understand? You defend my godfather. Iye gonna amu we ye ko wa. Ye na ai ko adori ekia. Again we ye we. Oga are kirame. Una de la dana we do aso. Una do agbiye go. Okay. I want me you understand something that make I don't want to insult for the beginning. You understand? Okay, Kegire, who's a big go sumota. It may not get sunu. Wayana de bekun when I got saga remain. Mama, Susie, I want to try to bring you are manipulate. I don't know. Oh, I don't want to insult. I want me to watch this video. That is the reason why I don't want use that word, because you say anybody will call video. Where is the road they go? What? So I don't know what it can happen. So what one we got be woman worry kerame, woman worry kerame, okekere. Why kokoi gbiri me? No problem. Wana you got bije me bay. No problem. No wahala. Oh, this life not balance. So now. Abia why you woo with that way you wear or you go never when I deba. When I deba ye go with the ye go na you to tie ye go na do I shema. You go ha igata ma bio wa. Do you go no na? Do you go no na? Eri no na. Do you ne Becky? Eri no na. E Becky na buku ona begie. Iye go but ya beg na we ye go or tion o ha ido ri abio wa. Wana ye na biku gie. Iye go na do I shema. Iye agbe. When Suzy na we no ga saga iye go we not the part low. Agaga iye go or do piai. Nyo we don no we fiai. Uda nyo hata ma bi owa we no na eri no na. I don't understand, they get me. So now iye go gipa ne abia wagi wune now where this is the opportunity no do ya guye go de gbe de go. What happen again abia wa na aragbon what's the man take be me na on ave senoga I bet you will take be me na abia wa beg maybe you can take your harvest. Where in the again nata okonata is making sense. Is making sense. No matter where you go, mo piano, mo tue, mo no get to boy chizo biato boy or what boy. Me yan wetana. I bet you weta again a beer one bon. Maybe a beer one we sit down and listen to your video and we pick sense for it. No. Without where iye gogi to tanya abiowa, you have to please abiowa just to the get money for abiowa hand. The same thing with Becky. Becky go the share iye go picture. Even when you see commit adultery, an enemy you see celebrate his birthday. As they dance, he go they celebrate them. He know the same. Even the guy say ye go, he does saga Becky before. Becky get the opportunity to saga Iyego because of the adultery where his secret don't leak. Say say my godfather don't sleep with her. Becky have the opportunity to saga Iyego, but what did he do? Il Pablo support her. They share a video. Adulterous woman. If they share her, all because of say he want use through him benefit for Abiowa. Two women don't sleep with one man. If this one sleep with Becky, yes, say this one sleep with my godfather, Becky will come and call Sagara. But he reach ye go to in no saga. Now the big sense. All these things. Una uwaga ama biai waye koma. And Abiawa was so foolish to see you people. Abiawa no. Just because he want to pepper my godfather, that is the reason why he still play along with you people. After my man go down shop like Bola, he don't insult me. At the end of the day, because he carry a brother, he know, but he want pepper my godfather. Persevere land. Mama Suzy. I don't want to insult you for the beginning. That's why I deceived the write-up. I deceived the write-up, say, my beautiful Suzy. Because I want me worship, because you talk and say, with the way, you fear not let you. See, for the video, you don't mention my godfather. Because we beg where the mood, na yara shame, anybody, no matter what you may not say. You where Suzy, will you like it? Or when you hear that ball? Another here, I want to be ladon. Oh, the amour swao. Because I love you for the video. Let me be sincere to you. I love you with that way. Umagwa yes I did rame. Would that way? Amawen omana benege vie. That's where you talk play with the way we are talking me. O amoso ta o wa no here ni o wa amoso mo bai. O wani uwaga si e bai. Uwaga si e bai, uwaga tagina. Oh, here where I'm none of the Allah that do the social media. I don't you not talk go that part. No, you not talk go my. I'm not saying that way. I dey wait any blogger, anybody wey concerning Abiowa, my papa dey, mama call me. The reason why I not talk to you, I not use ash word for you because you don't mention my godfather name. Imagine wa agunwe or suwawu or tuwawu. You understand? Wa hat me when you better mugwawe no wa sonera who be my godfather. Who be my godfather? If my godfather the feed na, you know the food everybody have your opinion to talk. But what I say. What I say so that mawuwa ne maga ne bezo wala wo imagine wa mu ane imagine wa mu erane but mo na talk am the way it be wa gbe ene wa gbera ne o han itame be no ya vie. That's why Meriedo's talk they bust my brain. You understand? I should not talk on my godfather side. That is the reason why I never talk. But I have to be played to you, Susie. Why you don't talk this word where Abiowa was alive? Now you wune where on one you gore or wune. So you have to come back to Mama Ego again. What it make you family? You were given the track. Where you the saga Mama go for the adulterous way don't come in. You just they eat the point and they told the truth. But suddenly, one hour, coin, or because of what? Money. And they wash you, Susie. May notice I not they wash you. And they wash you. That's why I screenshot this speech video. Now video you do not be speech on your snap. I screenshot me remember the video. Where you do with this clothes. It was my godfather. You were my godfather. They thought say sleep, Mama, Susie, you were in the you they hit the point. You they give Mama a go, say yes, what is right and what is wrong is wrong. Mama go, wait here, war. That's what paid you a lot. And no, he do anything. He was deceiving you. Defend the but last when you hear the truth, you not take her easy with Mama Ego. Yes, it is your right to be upset. Is your friend? He don't need to tell you don't need to tell you lie. As it tell you see come out for social media, you should continue to talk am. Now that one I pay you. And when you see the talk say, he don't divest Meriedos. Yes. He don't get married to Abiowa. Yes. He don't do the enemy surrogate the enemy way to the Gabele. Yes. He said according to Abiowa. But according to Mama Ego, he was deceiving you. You are in the right track. Who have you never again? Omatama well na ewe. Egbesoni alene. You cannot cover up for that kind of person when you don't know the truth. Upon not say you don't call her for inside. Ask her. You are in the right track. Suddenly, in no power waruba. Ilalobo. Now the person don't buy now. You are still coming out again. You are still coming out again. Say, now this is the opportunity. You have the opportunity to say it. But now you are saying it. You don't. Your brother is a brother of everybody. Not the choose woman for her. I wish you say you talk all these things. Where Abiowa, they are alive. Maybe you will take your word. Say, "Iye go now." Okay, maybe no ozuo. Even the Suzu Tana. What I know. Then me wa we polo sena. Iye go han do mo o ya ni me. Wo love your kid boyfriend the mene. Over the women in social media ne. You understand? I wish you see this word with the talk, it they help people. That is the reason why I say voice out. Your word when you talk, if it give you another, it go give you another, it go give person have, it go help people. But you never say it. You keep it, or you won't about the time. See, it's too late. It's too late. I don't want to use harsh word for you because when we generate we are born, we now they try to prepare everything again to stand for the stand where you first stand where they came and go for the adultery. You will now they try to go back to that way we stay because why Abiowa is gone. Abiowa is gone. It's too late, my sister. But fortunately, you can still go back. But I not say me not mention my godfather, but you type in OJ. You talk on high B, being a Abiowa, ya mobile, easy me, but you over here, bury me. We platform ye go, Kevan Castle. Then we Keva or where I no here, we Kevan here. No man, where, now say. My godfather shop Abiowa money, or if you can work on my year way. On will have a platform on the table. Ma'am, Susie, make I not say much for this video. Go and watch Mary Edo's. I watch him now because if I say make you watch me now, you feel say because say my godfather and my papa now make a day. Don't watch me. Go and watch Mary Edo. Peace sense for there. I not say me no. If you go where my godfather for wrong, what view na woto. You understand? But say it the way it be, or else if I come out, it not be funny. I dey watch all of you now. It not go funny. I should not talk to my godfather. You see, I see insulting. But you say anywhere, therefore they insult you. Anybody will go call the video, can't give her, you go block that person. You understand? That is the reason why I want make you watch me. Maybe my own talk go see give you wisdom. Or John one or Wuhan one. It's too late to vote.